Dow Jones closed little higher on Monday as market digested the news of downgrading of US credit rating by Moody. This morning, Dow futures are trading slightly negative, and the focus has now shifted to the passing of a proposed tax bill backed by Trump. The bill proposes income tax cuts and more spending on immigration and defense. Critics argue that the bill will increase the fiscal deficit. Crude oil is under pressure due to weakening US economy and on oversupply due to chances of Iranian oil flooding the market. US-Iran nuclear deal is very near with Tehran, accepting majority of the US demands. WTI crude and Brent today are trading 10% up, but the sentiments remain fragile. Gold is flying high on global economic uncertainty, and weaker dollar, gold is trading at 3,210, down by $22. Trump trade policies, complications around Russia-Ukraine ceasefire, simmering tension between India and Pakistan, and fears of global economic recession is keeping gold prices elevated. Dollar remains in the back foot against majority of the world currencies after Moody's cut down of US credit rating. Frequent flip-flop of President Trump and a US Fed under pressure to ease has made a case for sell dollar trades. US bond yields retreated little bit. US 10-year 4.45, US 30-year 4.90, and US 2-year 3.98. Global investors are getting restless with dollar assets. Be it corporate bonds on US sovereign bonds, the mood to sell is dominating. The latest credit event by Moody is a red flag for US with 39 trillion as debt. The People's Bank of China cut its benchmark loan prime rate as expected on Tuesday, as Beijing moves to unlock more monetary stimulus in the face of slowing growth and a US trade war. The PBOC cut its one-year LPR to 3.0% from 3.10% as expected, while the 5-year LPR, which factors into mortgage prices, was cut to 3.50% from 3.60%. Russian President Vladimir Putin said that he is ready to work with Ukraine to end the ongoing conflict. The announcement comes following a conversation with US President Donald Trump for nearly 2 hours. All the parties have urged Russia to accept an immediate, unconditional 30-day ceasefire. Nifty remains slightly bearish, with a range of 24,890 and 25,020. Bank Nifty having resistance at 55,600 and support of 55,140. The Indian equities remains supported as of now, backed by strong investments by both FII and DII.